During the training, we do sorting, pasteurization, roasting and grinding in our flavor creation center over here. We particularly look at peanuts and different tree nuts like hazelnuts, almonds, pistachios and cashews. So with our experts, customers can actually learn the theory of how certain treatments affect the nuts. For example, we could look at how a roasting profile can reduce the moisture and lead to better grinding properties downstream. So the most common challenges that we have are actually related to pasteurization and roasting in terms of maintaining the raw quality of the nuts during pasteurization, but then developing different taste profiles during roasting. Are you ready to join us for nuts processing and pasteurization training? Then get in touch with us because we are ready for you.